Good morning, Weather Weenies. Meteorologist Serena Arnold rocking the tornado earrings today. Don't worry, no tornadoes in New England. But the Storm Prediction Center does have an enhanced area of severe weather that people need to know about that comes fairly close. It's in Pennsylvania, and there the weather's going to be pretty severe, and it's just going to barely creep into New England. Let me give you all the details of what you need to know. So last night, this was what the map looked like, and if you'll see over here, the concern has definitely shifted further west today, which I anticipated. We've got a front that's going to be passing through this way, and with it is kind of a mess. On the eastern side, that's going to affect New England, it's going to be rain later today, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. But the further west you go, the more severe the concerns get. New England states are not even in the 2% tornado area anymore. Phew, thank goodness. It's April. We don't need to start that soon. But if you are in central or western Pennsylvania or even eastern Ohio, watch out today. Only concerns that we may see in New England are storms that are capable of producing downbursts and high winds. That's just kind of what the atmospheric signals are right now for these storms. So I'm going to look at the HRRR forecast model at Pivotal Weather because that's going to be the best one for helping us understand what's going on today. All right, so here's what's going to happen today. We've got these storms that are out like in western New York over the Buffalo area. This is going to move further east, and so we're going to see a couple rounds of showers that are going to come through here in New England. So this is 18Z or 2 o'clock. See where this line is? I think that's going to be our first line of rain showers that we see. And there's going to be a couple more after that. This is 21, which is 9. So this is going to be like 5 o'clock. So you see this evening is just going to be kind of covered. The concern, though, is out here is watch how this line of little storms pops up kind of out of the blue. You can see it form along the front right here. But this is where you're going to possibly get little cellular storms, possible an isolated supercell. And this is where you're going to have a tornado or two probably being produced later today, especially just right through here. The closest concern I see for us is right here in this area, eastern New York, western Mass and Connecticut, maybe southern Vermont, and extreme southwestern New Hampshire. As you see, just a little bit of this like north-south moving, little bubbly type of stuff. Once again, maybe just an isolated storm or two, but we're also looking after sunset time, so we don't have the sun to provide heating anymore to help with this. And so I'm just not expecting much of this other than probably some rain and rumbles of thunder. Those storms can have some gusty winds in them at times, but it's not like summertime storms yet. We're not there. But this is a small taste. At least it's not snowing.